Hey, Matt from Amina, and I wanted to introduce you to our Contractor Series. So this is one of our new Contractor Series Invisible Speakers. So some really cool things on the Contractor Series that we've included. Integrated backbox. This makes it really fast to install. There are also tabs for mounting, so again this makes it a very quick installation, as well as the WAGO connectors here as well, so it's very quick to terminate and get the speaker in the ceiling and get it working. Now, why we developed the Contractor Series speaker was really to create a more cost-effective invisible audio solution. So in some projects where the client's budget might not stretch to Sapphire throughout the home, this can be a really great speaker to put in those spaces where you still want to deliver invisible audio, but the client's budget isn't quite going to allow another Sapphire range, for example. To find out more, head to www.aminasound.com or contact us.